Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some blackened steak that I made. I have some cauliflower and some corn that I also put in the oven together. So yeah, I'll be trying that, something healthy for today at least. And I will also be trying this prebiotic soda, Poppi watermelon that I've seen at Target. So see how this tastes. Gonna be interesting. Let's start. I got some A1 sauce just in case I'm probably gonna need it. Wow, wow. This is the so-called. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need that sauce. Actually good flavor. I shouldn't actually overcook it, I feel like. So I'm gonna need this. Weird. I overcooked it. They're pretty good. I expect it to be good, actually, to be honest. Yeah, I shouldn't have cooked the steak that long. I should not have been trimming for days. Literally days, some type of days. Yeah, I need something to wash this down with. Okay, so yeah, I'll be trying this Poppi drink today, watermelon. Clear. Smells good. It's gonna be interesting. Dead. That's actually good. The drink is good. I don't know what the heck I done done. But it's seasoned, I just overcooked it. I wanted to try something new and try Blackened Steak or whatever, and it seemed like, yeah, it was a fail, but it's pretty good. Season's pretty good, but I overcooked it. really used to like anything that had to do with corn, but now I'm like, yeah, I randomly eat it. I haven't ate corn in a while, even popcorn, because it's like, I got like a kernel stuck in my throat before, and it was just like, what the heck, you was there for a while. Like a couple of days. Yeah, that finally came out, so that was horrible. Well, it felt horrible at least. Okay. 20 calories, but it's kind of expensive. It's good. I would consider buying it again, but it's like 20 calories, but it's, yeah. Let's see how that works. I really don't be making steak that I actually have to put a lot of A1 sauce on, but this time I had to. Wow, somebody's car. Over here, they're paying like so-called $1,000 and like $1,100 for a one-bedroom. Like these new people that came in. It's weird. Seems like all the prices raised up. I think I'm gonna have to stop doing DoorDash, because it's like every time that I order something I'm disgusted, and this time I end up like throwing up. And I was eating at Chick-fil-A, so I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna have to start cooking on my own. Stop eating fast food stuff. Fast food. But yeah, stuff is like really expensive over here. It's starting to get really expensive over here. I don't know what the heck is going on. Who would pay that amount to live in these trash apartments? That's all I have to say. Yeah, that felt better. I needed that. So at this point, I'm just about to eat some chips and salsa. Yeah, I had to go get some basically chips and some salsa. This salsa is just like some mild and chunky salsa that I got from Target. I think it's their brand. Yeah, it's a good, whatever, good kind of brand, whatever the name is. And I got some regular Good and Gather organic white corn tortilla chips from Target as well. So we eating on this, just eating it as a snack. Pretty good. This is pretty good or whatever. It's kind of overwhelming if you drink a certain amount or whatever. But it's pretty good. About to probably go to sleep in a minute and watch some black exploitation movies. I'm about to watch JD's Revenge. That's a good movie. I actually like that. I wouldn't really take it as being a bad thing, but a lot of people say it is, but I actually enjoy watching him. They probably even had it on YouTube, so that's good. Let me finish this drink. Yeah, I think after a while it becomes kind of nasty knowing this. Could taste like medicine in the long run. I couldn't picture buying another one, but yeah. Okay. If I share some with somebody, I'll drink it. Like if I had got this much, I'll drink it, but not the whole can. be somewhat. Supposed to be a dang thunderstorm tonight. We'll see how that goes. Supposed to be in effect until like 2 a.m. There's always some like bipolars over here. First it was cold, gloomy, humid. Then it got hot. Then it's about to be a thunderstorm. All in the month of February. It's only winter. This is the craziness. What the heck? Weird. I am done. It's been a long, it hasn't even been a long day for me. It's just been like a lot of things that I don't quite feel like it's 24 hours of the day. I just feel like I need more time. I just gotta use my time management skills or whatever. And just try to probably write a list down, but nah. I just need time in life. Yeah. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Yeah, that whole situation with me throwing up, I'm done. I'm done, yeah. Me ordering food. Yeah, I'm done. Later, guys. Peace.